Radio City and Midday present the Hit List OTT Awards 2020. Honoring the best content from the year 2020. For the first time ever, an award show that's 100% people's choice. The largest platform celebrating India's hit list.
ये सबसे कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव अवार्ड इसलिए है क्योंकि हमने चाहा कि हम जितना कवर कर सकें, जितने शोज़ को कवर कर सकें, जितने कलाकार को कवर कर सकें और उसमें जितने सारे नॉमिनीज हम डाल सकें। उसके बाद पब्लिक ने खुद देखा है, पब्लिक ने खुद सराहा है, पब्लिक खुद वोट करेगी और पब्लिक से ही विनर निकलेगा।
Announcing the winners of the Radio City and Midday Hit List OTT Awards 2020. And the winner for the best series is Scam 1992. And the winner for the best series romance comedy is Mismatched. For the best actor series male goes to Pratik Gandhi for Scam 1992.
Thank you Radio City, Midday and the whole team of Hit List OTT Awards for honoring my work in Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story. I'm truly humbled. Thank you very much guys. I'm accepting this on behalf of the whole team. Cheers to you.
For the best actor series female goes to Shreya Thanwantari for Scam 1992.
I just got my award for Best Actor Series Female. Thank you, everybody who voted. Thank you guys for organizing. Thank you for giving this to me. It's very heavy. It's my first award, and I don't know what to say. For someone who has a lot to say, usually I'm really speechless. This is pretty awesome. Thank you so much.
And the winner for the best series thriller is Asur. And the winner for the best series drama is Scam 1992. And the winner for the best direct-to-web film Hindi is Serious Men. Best actor film male goes to Kunal Khemu for Loot Case.
I'd love to thank everybody at Midday Hit List and Radio City for firstly nominating me in a category with some of my favorite actors, and then to every single person who took the time to go online and vote for me and make sure that I was holding this beautiful trophy. And thank you Mr. Rajesh Krishnan, the wonderful director of the film, and every single technician and actor who worked on that film to make it what it was, to make me look so good. And I accept this on behalf of everybody. I'd share this with everybody on that film.
Best actor film female goes to Janhvi Kapoor for Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl.
I'd like to thank everyone for voting for me. I'm so excited that I've won, and it really does mean a lot that you guys saw my film and enjoyed it and gave it as much love as y'all did. It means the world to me and the entire team, so thank you.
For the best direct-to-web film, other Indian languages, is Surari Potru. For the best supporting actor film male goes to Pankaj Tripathi for Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl.
एक अभिनेता को, एक कलाकार को सम्मान हमेशा अच्छा लगता है, बेहद खुशी देता है। So शुक्रिया इस खुशी के लिए, thank you.
For the best supporting actor film female goes to Indra Tiwari for Serious Men.
ये अवार्ड मैं डेडिकेट करना चाहती हूँ अपनी पूरी सीरियस मैन की टीम को, अपनी फैमिली को और अपने फ्रेंड्स को, और उन सभी दर्शकों का शुक्रिया जिन्होंने मेरा काम पसंद किया। थैंक यू सो मच।
The best supporting actor series male goes to Barun Sobti for Asur. The best supporting actor series female goes to Anupriya Goenka for Criminal Justice Season 2, Behind Closed Doors.
The entire credit goes to the wonderful set of people that I got to work with. Our directors, Rohan sir and Arjun, Sameer sir and Siddharth and the team of Applause, everybody at Hotstar, DVC, Rajesh and his team, and of course the various people who worked behind the camera, from the costume, art, camera, all the departments that were, and of course a wonderful set of actors that I got to work with, especially Madhavji, Pankaj sir, for being my perfect partner in crime, in solving the crime.
The winner for the Best Ensemble Cast series is Scam 1992.
I'm delighted to be receiving these awards, the Radio City and Midday Hitlist Awards for our show Scam 1992. This has been a great year for us, and this has been possible because of an absolutely brilliant team that has made this show possible. So I dedicate all these awards to the team of Scam 1992 and of course to the audience that has voted and made this show so successful and so loved by the entire country.
And the winner for the Best Series Non-Fiction is The Fabulous Lives of Bollywood Wives. And the winner for the Best Platform User Experience is Amazon Prime Video. And the special award for the industry leadership goes to Ekta Kapoor.
शुक्रिया मिड डे और इस हिटलिस्ट अवार्ड के लिए और गुंजन सक्सेना.
And I'd like to thank all of you and Midday Hitlist OTT Awards for giving me the Best Supporting Actress for Criminal Justice Season 2.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank everyone at Midday Hitlist for even nominating me in this category amongst such prolific, amazing, talented actors who I admire so much.
तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ रेडियो सिटी का और मिडडे हिटलिस्ट OTT अवार्ड्स का, जिन्होंने मुझे नॉमिनेट किया.
Thank you Midday Hitlist and Radio City for honoring me with this beautiful trophy and this award.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.